During my trip to US capital Washington DC, I had the wonderful opportunity to visit Madame Tussauds Museum. I had never been to Madame Tussauds before. I was really excited to see what it would be like. It was a uniquely interactive and immersive experience that allows visitors to take a journey through American history. Of the world's most famous faces with an interactive educational experience. Here are 100 figures on display, including all 45 US presidents and several important and iconic figures and activists in the US history, as well as some rotating celebrity and sports figures. Madame Tussauds is separated into 6 main exhibits: the President Gallery, the Civil Rights Room, Behind the Scenes, the Glamour Room, the Sports Zone, and finally the Media Room. After visiting the President's Gallery, I headed over to the Civil Rights Rooms, where you get to take a seat in history next to Rosa Parks and joins Martin Luther King Jr. as he prepares to give his "I Have a Dream" speech on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial. Lots of opportunities for cool pictures, like sitting in the Oval Office or next to the Lincoln taken in a show at Ford's Theater. I really enjoyed seeing the life-size statues of all 45 presidents. I did manage to get lots of pictures with these celebrities. Here's a few of my favorite selfie pictures. I finished off my visit with a little trip to the media room, where you can get interviewed by Katie Couric or have a chat with Stephen Colbert. Up next was the Glamour Room, where guests get to mix and mingle with some of Hollywood celebrities. Lots of opportunities for cool pictures, like, have you ever been any wax museum? Which of these wax figures do you think most accurate?